This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That is six. That is just magnificent batting. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That's gone high in the air. This is six. It's a magnificent strike. Oh, that's marvelous. Looks even better in the replay. Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now. Fielding team can now have more than 2 fielders outside the inner circle. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on. Deep point in place. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series. Straight up in the air, and that's a six. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. They are batting well together, and that is a great partnership for the batting side. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Now that he has reached his 100, he may look to attack a bit more. Going to fly. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That's into the gap. Should look for two. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out stumped. Has to walk back to the pavilion.